Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be talking about ROBLOX ID. Now, what's a ROBLOX ID? A ROBLOX ID is a unique number associated with your account. You can use your ROBLOX ID for various purposes, such as adding friends. Some methods of adding friends may require your ROBLOX ID. You might also need to provide your ROBLOX ID to others in order to receive gifts or invites from them. Your ROBLOX ID is helpful when contacting ROBLOX support for troubleshooting. Now let's go down into how to find your ROBLOX ID on your mobile device. Now, it is not recommended for you to use a ROBLOX mobile app to find your ROBLOX ID. But in case you still want to do it, let me walk you through how to do it. 1. Open the ROBLOX app. Then tap the 3 dots at the bottom right corner of the screen to open the menu. Tap on your name or your avatar to navigate to your profile. Now, your ROBLOX ID is not directly visible within the app itself, which is why it is not recommended. Instead, I recommend using a mobile browser. How do you use a mobile browser? Open a web browser on your mobile device like Safari or Chrome, depending on it's an Android or it's an iOS. Then go to ROBLOX website, which is https://www.roblox.com. Once you've gotten there, log into your ROBLOX account with your credentials. Then tap on your username at the top of the screen to visit your profile page. Then look at the URL in the address bar of your browser. The number after /users in the URL is your ROBLOX ID. Can you see why it's preferable to use a browser? It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to get or how to find your ROBLOX ID. Hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video.